Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice lights at home. First, gather your essential materials. You'll need about 50 to 100 small LED bulbs, a roll of thin insulated wire, and a suitable power source, like a battery pack or a low-voltage adapter. Also, have a soldering iron, some solder, and heat shrink tubing ready. Ensure your workspace is clean, well-lit, and safe for electrical work. Next, let's prepare your LED bulbs and wire. Each LED has a positive and a negative lead. The longer lead is typically positive. Cut your insulated wire into segments, each about 6 inches in length. Carefully strip approximately 1/4 inch of insulation from both ends of each wire segment. This exposes the copper for soldering, ensuring a good electrical connection for your rice lights. Now it's time for soldering. Solder the positive lead of your first LED to one end of a wire segment. Then, solder the negative lead of that same LED to a second wire segment. Continue this process, connecting the free ends of the wire segments to create a series circuit. After each solder, slide a piece of heat shrink tubing over the joint and apply heat to insulate it properly, preventing short circuits. Finally, let's test your new rice lights. Connect the two ends of your completed LED string to your chosen power source, ensuring correct polarity. Verify that every single LED illuminates brightly. If any do not, recheck your solder joints and connections. Secure any loose wires with electrical tape or additional heat shrink. Now, your custom-made, energy-efficient rice lights are ready to adorn your space.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.